back to my channel. On today's video, I've got a lot that I need to do. I have 3 different batches of lip balms that I need to make. I also need to make some eucalyptus and mint shower steamers as promised from my newsletter. And I also need to make a fall fragranced cold processed soap. So without any further ado, let's get started. So these shower steamers pressed very nicely, easily, and fast, and I'm so glad they did. I'm going to put these babies to the side so they can start drying, and I'm going to get to my next project. I've got an autumn soap that I need to make. The whole time I was getting my soap ingredients ready, I was smelling this eucalyptus mint shower steamers, and it smells so good. And even though I'm not in the shower, I feel like it's working for me right now. It feels so great. So I am getting ready to make this autumn soap. And I haven't named it yet, so I just keep calling it autumn because it's an autumn season based fragrance. And I've got my melted oils and butters here. I've got my lye solution with sodium lactate here. And the soaps that I made on the previous video, I omitted some ingredients, and that made my bar just a little bit softer, but not too soft. I know once it cures for a couple of weeks, it'll harden up. But I went ahead and added back some stearic acid to help with the hardness of this bar. And I will also be using these beautiful colors from Mad Micas. I've got this orange and brown here. And I wanted to do a 3-color kind of swirl design. So I'm going to use not just white, but I want this, it's a snowflake sparkle from Brambleberry. I'm going to try that out. I used some melt and pour soap that I received from Candle Science. And I used that brown and orange mica to make these embeds. I don't know if you can see them there. And I am so excited to use them. I think they look really good, especially this brown one. It's Sexy Stranger on a Train or something like that, but it gives off this brown rustic color. So it's not this really boring brown. It's kind of classy. I don't know. All right, so safety first. Let me get my goggles ready, and then let's get to making this autumn fragranced soap. Oh yeah, I look cool. I think I've got time to knock out one more project today. So I'm gonna make 3 batches of lip balms. And what I've done is gotten all of my ingredients and measured them and combined them in 3 different containers. So this is going to allow me to move a lot faster. I think my fragrances are strawberry, vanilla, blueberry, and pineapple. Anyhow, I'm gonna knock that project out now. Welcome back, everyone. It's a few days later, and I'm finally ready to wrap up these eucalyptus and mint shower steamers that I made. And I also sold out of my lavender shower steamers, so I made a few more batches of those. And last but not least, I decided to make an autumn themed soap, so I'm going to be cutting that for you as well. Mason lifted up my table for me because my back was really starting to hurt after I finished soaping and making products. So this will be the first time that I'm working on this table since he lifted it. And I hope him raising it up 1 to 2 inches kind of alleviates those back problems that I was having. This soap right here smells so good. I just can't stop smelling it. It has a nice cinnamon note in it, and I just love the way cinnamon smells, so I'm personally enjoying this. And a few days ago, or was it a few days ago? No, it was Saturday. Mason and I went to the Boys to Men concert, and it was fun. We had a really good time. Um, the only thing that I noticed is that they didn't pay tribute to the fourth member, Michael, I believe is his name, that used to be part of the group. He died from multiple sclerosis some years ago, and I didn't know if it was just too painful to talk about. I was kind of shocked. But we had a really good time. We sat in the lawn seats this time instead of the chairs. It really wasn't a big deal for us to be as close to the stage. We wanted to try a different seating location, and the lawn was very nice because you had so much space. No one was sitting right next to you, and you could take your shoes off and just stretch your legs out. And I really, really enjoyed being there. So if we see another artist at that same location, I think we'll probably opt for those long seats again. But it was a good time. Let's do the first cut. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see what I'm seeing. I think that looks really good. I love those autumn colors, the orange and the brown and the beige. They just blend really nice. And remember those embeds that I made with some melt and pour soap? Those turned out absolutely perfect. I think the fragrance along with the blend of colors, they fit perfectly for the soap. I am so excited. This is a new one for me. I've never tried melt and pour embeds, and this is actually my first attempt at an autumn themed soap. I can't wait till my 4 to 6 weeks is up so I can try it out in the bath. And I just realized that my other microphone, it had lost its charge. So I'm not even sure if you guys could hear me when I was talking, but fingers crossed. I hope you guys could hear that audio. So now I'm gonna go ahead and package up these shower steamers. So my fall soaps are all cut, and my eucalyptus and mint shower steamers are all packaged up. And that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you wanna make your own shower steamers or that fall soap, those recipes are gonna be posted on my Patreon, and my Patreon is located in that description box below. If you wanna bypass the entire making process, these products are also gonna be posted on my website. Give me a huge thumbs up if you like this content, and please hit that subscribe and notification button so you can be notified anytime I post new content. Until next time, bye guys.